back to another episode of Cars with My Kid. My name is Edwin, and this is
Patoya.
Yeah, today we're gonna change the oil on the Crown Vic because it's, I don't know how long it's been. I've had it for like 3 months, 2, 3, maybe 4 months. I don't even know. Do you know? No, you don't. Yeah, we don't know. But yeah, we're gonna change the oil, see what happens, what we run into. Hopefully it's not too hard. All right, let's go. Yeah, we need to recycle the oil too. So we're gonna change the oil, but this little one doesn't want to help. It's fine though. So we're gonna change the oil, obviously. The oil cap is over here. It's kind of dirty because we did go a little bit of off-roading. You can kind of tell by the back tires. Yeah, right there. Good times, good times. And I guess we'll find out where the actual oil filter is. We jacked up the car. Good to go. Slide underneath. I know there's a big skid plate. There you go. Underneath the car. So we'll see what's up. Alright, let's go at it. So you can see underneath the car. Get a better picture of that. There's 2, 4, 6, 8 little screws, bolts, 13 mil. So we're gonna take those off first to get to the actual engine. It's by the front, you can tell. And the oil filter should be somewhere around this area. So let's try it. And it's off. Now we can see everything where it was. But damn, that thing was heavy. Look at this thing. See that? Nothing but metal.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Alright. Now we gotta find the drain plug, which should be somewhere around there.
Can you see my hand?
Yeah, let me see. Think so. Wait, no. No, I don't see anything. I don't see anything.
Can I see?
If you want to get dirty, you're gonna mess up your jacket though. It's so nice. Alright, so you can kind of see underneath the car. Radiator fans alright. Some other belts are okay. There's a leak somewhere around here. Probably from the oil filter, because it's like right there. You kind of see a little white label thing. And then this has been rubbing on the skid plate, I guess. It's pretty dirty. There's a little bit of oil right there, you can tell. And there's a oil pan. So I didn't even have to take off the skid plate. But I did just to get to the oil filter though. Because it's right in there. You see that yellow and white tag right in there? Yeah. So we'll do that. The belts look okay. It's a little rust here and there, but nothing major. So that's good. So we got this little contraption from O'Reilly's to catch the oil.
Yeah, because we needed to get the oil out of here and get the brand new oil here.
Yeah. So we'll see how this works. Hopefully it's not too big of a mess. Because then it has this cap thing. That thing on there, so you could just drain it out later. Huh?
This one.
Oh yeah, that's the actual oil. Yeah, we got the oil filter. The high mileage, obviously. Oh wow, I didn't know it was synthetic. I guess we'll find out how it works. Yeah. So we've got that. Let's try taking this off. Damn it. There we go. I'm just hoping it catches everything. If not, we'll find out.
Bobby, I can see your chonies.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Bobby, do you need a little bit?
There we go.
That one there?
Perfect.
Do you need a little bit of that one there, Bobby?
No, I'm okay. We got the bolt off. Now we just gotta let it drain. Okay? It's really black though. I don't know if it comes off on camera, but it's really black.
Can I see your camera?
It's recording right now. Can you see the oil?
Yeah.
It's coming out. Once it's all out, we're gonna close it up again, change the filter,
And that one.
and then add the oil. Yeah. Yeah. Put that thing on there. Make sure it's even, okay? There we go. All the way, all the way.
Is this open?
Yeah. There we go. That's it. You got it. Good job. Good job. Good job. Go like that. Fist bump. There you go. So before we take out the other filter, the oil filter, we're gonna get the new one. Put some oil in it, or at least put the little ring around it. That way, as soon as we take the other one out, we just slide this one right in. And then we just gotta make sure that this little rubber seal comes off on the other one, or else it's gonna leak. So you gotta keep an eye on that one when we take it out. We'll try to make this quick, right? Make it quick?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. So hopefully the filter comes out okay. I know it's gonna get messy.
Yeah.
Got the other one right here.
But the oil.
Alright.
What do you say?
It is turning, but really slow.
Because we're not strong enough.
It's really tight. I can't hold it pretty good.
I could.
It's right next to the belt and some other hoses. Wait, am I going the wrong way? Right? Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, yeah. Once it's going. Okay. There we go. We got lucky too, it's not covered in oil. So I can actually grip it pretty good. So it doesn't slip. It's turning. Okay, there we go. You ready for the mess? It's gonna get messy right now. Here it comes. Come on, come on, come on, get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out. There it is. Let's get out. Okay, the seal is on there. Okay. We're good. Let's put it back on. Put it back on. Come on, get on there.
Bobby, are your noodles dirty with oil?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Yes, they are. Hold on. Oh man, oh man.
Can I see first?
Oh, I already cleaned it off.
Whoa.
I'm trying to tighten the other one. Now the other one's covered in oil. Alright. We got lucky.
Yeah.
It wasn't super tight on there. Because who knows when was the last time they changed it either.
Nobody.
Okay, that's it. That's as tight as it's gonna get. Just clean off some of this a little bit. It's not gonna affect anything, hopefully. Just makes it all dirty.
And Papi, now we're going to put that back on already?
Put what back on? That one? Let's put the oil on first, okay?
Yeah.
Let's put the oil in there.
The red one?
Yeah, not yet though. Let me get out of here first.
So I'm going to give it to you.
Alright, here. You can put this one in the little box. Where's that little box? Oh, there it is. Ah, I need to get rid of that. Ow, I got my back earlier too. But I need to take off the bumper for the whole thing because I guess this and this are together. That's for another video though. Yeah, now we're gonna put the oil in. Let me get the step stool for you. Here. That's it.
Now we're bigger.
Can you reach? Yeah?
No.
Alright, let me put the funnel in here.
So help me.
Open. Okay.
It's going to
Open
be
this.
so messy.
No, we gotta do it slowly, okay?
Okay.
Use two hands, use two hands. That's it, just like that. Wait, not too much. Slowly, slowly. There we go. See, this is a lot cleaner than the other one, huh? What color was the other one?
Black.
Yeah, it was black.
So what is this color? Yellow?
This is like gold, I guess.
Yeah, this is
A clear gold.
that's clear gold. That's enough.
Okay, let's do that. Let it go down. It's gonna take the whole thing, okay?
Okay. And this will be empty?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
So it could run better. There we go, there we go. Not too much, so then it's gonna overflow, okay? We already made a mess underneath. Alright, so what did we learn today, huh? What did we learn? We changed the oil.
Change the oil.
We found the drain plug.
We find the drain plug.
We replaced the oil filter.
We replaced the oil filter.
And we added... What did we add?
Oil filter.
Yeah, the oil filter and what else? The oil.
Oil.
Yeah, you did it, so you should know.
No, hello, bye-bye.
Yeah, we finished it up. So we're gonna start it up, see what
Hey,
happens.
what's up, bye?
Alright, so here we go. We're gonna start it up after the oil change. Any lights on? Any lights on? Just the seatbelt, airbag, and yeah, we're good then. We are good! High five, yeah. Good job. Yes, now we're gonna go return the oil and call it a day.
Recycle it.
Yeah, recycle it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Follow our Instagram.
Don't throw the oil on the trash because we need to recycle it.
Yeah, we need to recycle the oil. But yeah, follow us Instagram and Twitter. I think we have a Facebook still. Yeah.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we do? Okay. Bye.
Bye. Have subscribing videos.
So it turns out this thing is pretty good. Just almost forgot to check the drain plug right there. Getting the recycle right now and we're good to go. So like always, don't forget to browse the channel, like and subscribe. We'll look forward to seeing you next video.
Bye.